Hey y'all, Miss Star here. This time I have raided my local discount store and gotten to their Halloween discount bin and got what I thought would be great for an after Halloween look. And this is what happened. If you'd like to see how I turned into this, then keep watching. First, I'm going to put the white cream makeup all over my face, except for around my eyes, using the makeup sponge that came with the kit. Now I'm going to press the little stencil to my forehead and my cheeks, then use the color palette here as well as the applicator to put the patterns on my forehead and my cheeks. Now I'm going to take a little glitter and try to decorate throughout it. After that, I'm going to take a black makeup crayon and color in my eyes and outline all of the details, as well as do some contouring to enhance my skeletal features. I guess now it's time to put on my costume. Thanks so much for watching. That was messy and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram for updates and more. And follow us on Patreon to become a big part of our Star TV family. Thanks, guys.